Hi guys, today I have my new Slam and Squishy package. It's actually a swap package from my friend. Her name is Tracy, so yeah. And let's get started. So, she gave me the slime, which is really pretty. It's a nice package. Look, and she gave some candy. And it's a slime. So pretty. And squishy. Oh, there's a package. So first she's have a purple glitter slime. This one. Then she's have a blue slime and a mini panda squishy and a jumbo panda squishy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited, so let's get started. Maybe I'll go with the slime first. This slime is so awesome. Okay, here is the slime. Let's see if it's stretchy or not. It's so stretchy and so clear. It's pretty crunchy too. Oops, pretty sticky. And it smells like lemon or something. I don't know. It's actually really gluey. And glue is stick on me. It's really hard to see. Okay, see, it's like gluey, really gluey. So, yeah. And it's really thick. I really like thick. I think it's so clear. Not that crunchy, but that's alright. I feel like it. Okay. I just also put it in a back package. Next is a blue slime. It's in here and a really nice bow packet. It also have like this type of thing. So cute. And she also gave me some candy. And that's like, yeah. And slime. So, it smells so good. It doesn't smell like blueberry that much. I don't know. It smells so good. It's all jiggly and pokey. Oh my gosh. It's not that stretchy, but it's pretty crunchy. It's all jiggly and not that much jiggly. And it's stretchy too. Okay. Thank you for that. I'm tired. I'm not really good at typing stuff, but yeah. This is this. I want a bow. Make it look more cute, guys. Okay, the last item is this. Oh, she didn't have the bowl. This is what I haven't seen the little panda yet. Okay, I'll reveal the mini first. The mini is so cute. It also have a pink bow here. She's cute. So yeah. It's pretty squishy, but not that slow, guys. Pretty cute. And we also have the jumbo size squishy. It's kind of defective, but that's alright. I just lost the keychain out here. That's alright. It's really soft. It's not that slow, right? It's so soft. It smells like bread. This smell, it does. It's like two of them are the smell. Put it back in the package. Like all of my squishy, I love to put them in the package. I don't know why. But yeah. Ew, I don't know. I love to put it in the package. Oops, that's upside down. No. Okay. And thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up to my channel. So bye guys, see you in the next video.